Welcome back to IT Siders. IT Siders preaching ITIL through knowledge sharing. Thank you for watching and let's go. Today we're going to talk about relationships. Relationships about processes. Which processes? Incident, process problem, process change, and process release. So I will demonstrate to you all the possible relationships among these processes, okay? And in the next videos, I'm gonna give you real scenarios, real examples of the relationships I'm gonna show you now. The first relationship there is incident and problem. So there is a relationship within ITIL that tells us that an incident creates a problem. An incident never, ever, ever will become a problem. An incident will create a record of a problem. That's the first fundamental theory. On the other way around, you will have problems that are associated to one or more incidents. So that's the relationship on the other way around. A possible next relationship is around problem and change. So a problem to be fixed, a problem to be completely out of the environment, you will need to do something that will need to have a change, because whatever you're going to do in your infrastructure needs to be controlled, will have an impact. So therefore, if you have a problem with a root cause identified and you want that root cause applied and fixed and you want the problem rid of your infrastructure, you have to go through a change management process. On the other way around, a change may have or may have not problems associated with it. The other interesting relationship in here that we can see and that many people have doubt is the relationship between incident and change, right? An incident can be associated to one change or more than one change. Normally it's one change. And the other way around is also true. A change, when it's badly implemented, when it's not successful, will open incidents. So the relationship here is also true. What about release? Well, let's go through the logical then. So a change will open a release. Many of you have listened to this before. A change will open a release. What is a release? A release just exists with a change behind it. Okay? So, but it's not only one change. It's a bunch of changes. A release works like an umbrella of changes. So therefore you have a change. On the other way around, you have a release which is associated with many, many changes. Okay? So that's another relationship in there. Another possible relationship is about incident that are associated with a release. Because there are so many changes being implemented at the same time, it's very possible that the release will cause incidents if it's not well planned, okay, and well tested with the test and design. So you can have that relationship here happening both ways. What's the relationship it's missing now? Problem and release. you're going to say, oh my God, yes, it is possible. So a problem can have its root cause and its the investigation for its root cause fixed by a release. And in a release you can associate problems or via incident or via problems directly. So this is what I call the magic square, because in this magic square, if you are able to understand all these relationships here, right? If you are able to understand all these relationships here, you are very ahead in your ITIL certifications or in your ITIL career, because you will be able to discuss with anybody, even if they are ITIL V3 expert or ITIL V2 manager or whatever. You will be able to discuss if you understand those relationships. And in the next videos, I will explore these relationships here with you, and I'll give you practical, real case scenarios so we can practice and see how these relationships work. Okay, for this moment, that's it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.